Hello everyone! In this video we will discuss website responsiveness in our website builder. The builder automatically tries to adjust the site for all screens. Our builder offers 4 different adaptive views: wide, desktop, tablet, and phone. Pay attention to the mobile version. Visually, it differs the most. For example, the menu changes to the hamburger style. Depending on your preferences, you may want to switch to a vertical layout on smaller screens to prevent element cropping. It can be done on the right panel in the Layout tab by ticking the appropriate box. Also, you can choose not to display specific elements on smaller screens. To do this, in the right panel, scroll down to the Visibility section and uncheck the boxes for screens where the element should not be displayed. As you see, the element is not visible on the mobile version, but is present in the wide version. And this wraps up the video. See you in the next one, where we will edit the header and footer.